Nityanandam. My name is Sundar. I am from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and I recently completed my Inner Awakening program. I would like to share with you um, some of the key benefits that I derived from this program. Basically, I see a lot of changes in me after I attended this program. Some of the few changes are my inner space is very calm now. I feel more peaceful within myself. Um, every day is a new evolution for me, and I see that happening every day as I get to see and interact with the outside world. I used to be more agitated within myself, and whenever I encounter any situation, there used to be a lot of tension, resentment, and anger. Now, those things don't really exist any longer now within me. I continue to be maintaining my inner space more balanced, and I try to maintain a calm and composed temperament, which is the main benefit that I derived from this program. Secondly, I had a lot of fear and grams that seem to have certainly vanished. That's one of the major benefit that I derived from this program. Thirdly, before I attended this program, although I was trying to keep myself unclutched, but um, the very fact that I was trying to be unclutched was something unknown to me, because I was pretending to be unclutched, but it was never a reality. But after my master's initiation, after the initiation from my Swamiji, uh, during the Inner Awakening program, it came on its own seamlessly, and at any point of time, at will, and I remain unclutched, and that is becoming part of myself. It is becoming part of my biomemory now. So whenever I want, I remain unclutched, and that's the major third benefit that I derived from this. Now, in this Inner Awakening program, we also had a lot of new things that had happened. One is basically Akashic readings from Master. I myself have asked quite a few questions that have been answered by Swamiji. Second thing is the Bhava Darshan, wonderful Bhava Darshan which Swamiji gave. The one that I liked the most was the Mother Meenakshi's Bhava Darshan. I was so deeply connected with Swamiji as my beloved mother. It just stays in my memory forever, forever, forever. That was the second thing. Now, third thing is basically we were all given this saffron robe, which basically indicates that we continue to live a life of an enlightenment, even as we continue our profession, our natural day-to-day work, and maintain our relationship as a basically as a householder. While we do this, but the saffron robe, I preserve it, I keep it, and keep wearing it very often, just to be a reminder that I lead a path of living enlightenment. Thank you. These are the few things that I thought I'll share with you in terms of my personal benefits and the key things that I derived from this program. Thank you so much. Nityananda.